Hello, I'm here again for one of the renovation for the bathroom. That You can see that stand shower. That stand shower need to be removed, and planning to do some steam sauna. So this is the shower. I mean, we want to take this piece out, but I can show you the door here. That door, and then this is the one side, and that is another side. And also the main, you can see the hole down, that's a drain, floor drain, and also that's a shut off. So that's a shower. And also the main concern we have to see, we have to think that there must be a wire behind, and we got to be very careful using not a bigger tool. So best thing to shut it off your water. And also you have to get a smaller tools like a screwdrivers and small putty knife, hammer. So I will start with the small part first. Okay, I'm gonna open the screws. There is gonna be 3-4 screws down for the door. Save this door, make sure that put it in the proper place. Okay, once your glass is off, carefully, we took the screw outs, and we took some times. There's a lot of screws. You gotta make sure the check top, bottom, in, out. So the frame was stuck with the silicone. The silicone is a good quality, so you see a lot of silicones here, and the frame was just with the 1, 2, 3 screw, and 1, 2, 3 screw. So now this unit that has a shutter wall and also my shower. I'm gonna do this one in a few minutes. Okay, just take the towel out. Okay, now let's open the drain, because this whole unit will be destroyed, because we have to cut it in a 4-piece and take it out. Reason the door of the washroom is not as wider as this stand shower, so we have to cut off the plumbing first, especially for the drain. So I'm gonna take that out. Oh. screw out.
Go.
Okay, so this is how we do demolitions to taking the stand shower out carefully, because there is a plumbing involved, and especially when you're in the second floor, we don't want to do any leak or damage. I mean, if we are not confident to work with the plumbing, so that's how we can cut it out. We cut it out, take it out, and then we use an inside cutter for the plumbing pipe, and we cut it out, take the pan out, and that's it all about. And thank you very much. And if you have any comment, or if you like to, just ring the bell and subscribe, and I will come with a new video. Thank you.